and welcome to our first day of game design. Today we're going to start on Unit 1, which is From Tut to Mario, A History of Gaming. So to get to your assignments, you're going to click over here on the left-hand side on Modules. And today you are going to go down here to Unit 1 and you're going to read the unit title, the unit summary, unit objectives, Lesson 1, Lesson 2, and your Unit 1 lab you're going to get started on. Now you're going to finish that Unit 1 lab tomorrow, so you have today and tomorrow to work on it. And when you're done with it, tomorrow you'll put it in your Unit 1 lab Dropbox. So one thing to note is that instead of reading the information, if you would rather follow along, there is a podcast right here. If you click on it, you can it will read your lessons to you if you would like to listen to it that way. Be sure and take notes as you go. You're going to need to use those notes for your labs and activities and discussions as you go along, and that should be about it. If you have any questions on today, let me know. Otherwise, enjoy your day.